Hi, hello, Assalamualaikum to all my friends and our lecturer, Puan Syarida Zaina binti Syafi'i. We are from Group 1. We'll be presenting about question 3, which is benefits of organic farming in the perspective of agriculture sector towards a green economy. So these are our group members' name. My name is Nur Safia binti Yasmin. My registration number 17 DSK 19F1053.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aimi binti Ahmad Tarmizi. Registration number 17 DSK 19F 1043.
Hi, my name is Nurin Shafina Fatini binti Nur Azanizam. My registration number is 17 DSK 19F1049.
Hi, my name is Aina Natasha Shaira binti Kamar Azizi. My matric number is 70 DSK 90F1067.
Hai, nama saya Puniswaran, anak lelaki Chandra Kumaran. My matrix number 70 DSK 19F1063.
Alright, so that's all of our members' name. Alright, next slide is content of this slide. It is what is organic farming in Malaysia, benefits, example of organic farms in Malaysia, and resources. So for the first slide, I am the first presenter, which is Nur Safia binti Yasmin. Alright. So what is organic farming? Alright, the production of crops and livestock without using any chemical pesticide, synthetic fertilizers, antibiotic, a genetically modified organism, GMO, and growth hormones. Organic agriculture aims the human health without any harms to the environment, and production system that sustain the health of soil and ecosystem. Next slide. Alright, these are the organic farming in Malaysia. The first one is Malaysian Organic Certification Scheme, My Organic, from Department of Agriculture, DOA. Second one is Malaysian Organic Scheme, SOM, a certification scheme drawn up by Malaysian Department of Agriculture to recognize farms that practice organic farming based on Malaysian standard MS 1529/2001, the production, processing, labeling, and marketing of plant-based organically produced food. And the third one is Malaysian Organic, My Organic. It's rebranding from SOM to recognize farms that practice organic farming based on Malaysian standard MS 1529/2015, plant-based organically produced foods requirements for production, processing, handling, labeling, and marketing. First revision. So this figure 1 is the transition of the organic certification logo in Malaysia. Next slide. Alright, so these are the 10 benefits of organic farming in the perspective of agriculture sector towards a green economy. Next. Alright, benefit number 1 is organic farms can support substantially higher levels of wildlife. This can be supported especially in low lines and where animals can roam in pasture or graze on grassland. Not only does wildlife benefits, but entire ecosystem and groundwater are improved by simply following organic farming methods. Next slide. Alright, the second one is consumer purchasing organically grown foods are tastier. Regardless of minimal price differences, consumer can smell, taste, and see the difference in the quality of organically grown food products. Organically grown products are free from harmful chemical, artificial flavor, and preservative that ultimately cost consumer more money than non-organically grown products. You can always taste the difference between organically grown and conventionally grown products. So ia bermaksud organic food ni, okay, produk apa? Produk yang ditanam secara organik adalah lebih sedap dan juga lebih mahal sebab kualiti daripada produk tu lah. So sebab tu kalau consumer yang suka purchase food product ni, diorang akan suka lebih memilih yang organik lah berbanding dengan yang konvensional sebab dia lagi sedap tapi kita kena bayar lebih sikit. Okay. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for giving the opportunity. I'm Puneswaran Chandrakumaran. I'm the next presenter. Okay, number 3. It is more sustainable. The first and most important benefits of organic farming have more sustainable impact on the environment around us due to the method used by farmers. The soil is more abundant in nutrients such as nitrogen and much healthy for biodiversity. Agrochemicals manufacturing company is working on increasing the production of organic fertilizers due to the increasing demand for it. Organic food is not only healthy but also helpful in the growing economy with a positive impact considering it vast majority of farms. You can use conventional method to support this growing industry. Next slide. Okay, number 4. Small farmers make higher premiums. First, small farmers who are producing organic foods can make more money on their counterparts. They do not need to spend extra money on massive amounts of chemical pesticides. Their production may be slightly lower, but they are selling quite sustainable. If you are not working with big farmers, you can make revolutionary changes in the life of the small farmers and can change their life. Organic foods are sold at premium prices due to its low production. Third, organic food does not fit in everyone's budget, but they should blend it in their diet for doing health balance. Okay, maksudnya makanan organik memang tidak sesuai dengan bajet setiap orang, tetapi mereka harus menggabungkannya dalam diet mereka untuk melakukan keseimbangan kesihatan. That's all from me and I'm giving to the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue for the next point. I'm Aina Natasha. I will continue with the next point. Okay. The fifth point is a greater biodiversity. The use of pesticide is a threat both to the plants, insect, and the higher life. The pesticide is a threaten the survival of some weed species, but even more they are restrict the general biodiversity in the fields as well as in the surroundings. Feedstuff for the bird exactly are heavily reduced by this. So there are many observations done showing that the number of the birds as well as the number of species increases on ecologically managed farms. The crop rotation practice in ecological agriculture contribute to a more varied landscape and allow a greater biodiversity and also protect farmers from the economical catastrophic causes by damaged crops or falling prices. Which is dalam ni penggunaan racun merupakan satu ancaman yang tumbuhan serangga dan kehidupan yang lebih tinggi lah kiranya. Dari segi pemerhatian menunjukkan bahawa bilangan burung serta bilangan spesies ini akan meningkat jika diuruskan secara ekologi. Dan juga petani ini dapat mengelakkan daripada ekonomi yang disebabkan oleh tanaman yang rosak ataupun kejatuhan harga. Okay, for the next point, just reduce erosion and better water management. Both soil improvement and the concept of keeping the ground covered as much as possible, either by marshal or cover crops, reduce soil erosion. So with an improved structure and high content of organic matter and the more compact growth of organic growth also reduce the water consumption in agriculture. Itu merupakan mengurangkan hakisan. Hakisan ini tanah yang struktur yang lebih baik, kandungan yang organik yang lebih tinggi dan tumbuhan organik yang lebih padat dapat mengurangkan penggunaan air dalam pertanian. Okay, that's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Thank you, Aina. Hi, my name is Nourishment. I will continue to for point number 7, which is nutrient-rich food. Organic farms are preferably managed and nurtured using sustainable practices. Hence, food crops produced organically are filled with nutrients such as mineral, vitamin, enzyme, and other micronutrients as related to those from conventional farms that use chemicals for cultivation. Crops from conventional or commercial farms have a reasonably lower nutrient content as most of the nutrients get wrecked by the use of harmful chemicals that are used to keep the produce fresh and pest-free. Next slide. Next point is enhanced soil nourishment. Organic farming efficiently addresses soil management. Organic farming procedures such as intercropping technique, crop rotation, and the widespread use of green manure can even help to farm on damaged soil subject to corrosion and salinity. The absence of chemical in organic farming does not kill microbes, which raises the nourishment of the soil. This in turn also guarantees that the crop remain nutrient rich. So kat sini bermaksud kaedah organic farming ni dapat meningkatkan khasiat dan kesuburan tanah kerana ini menggunakan baja hijau atau lebih dikenali sebagai baja organik. Dan ianya bagus kerana kita masih boleh bercucuk tanam walaupun tanah itu telah rosak dan tumbuhan itu akan penuh dan padat dengan nutrien-nutrien yang bagus. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter, Nur Ayumi.
Thank you, Nurin Shawkina. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. I am Nur Ayumi binti Ahmad Tarmizi, registration number 17DSK19F1043. I am going to continue this presentation with benefits number 9 and 10. So this is the benefit number 9 of organic farming. It is low use of non-renewable resources. So the explanation are the low input concept of organic farming also reduces transports to other threats to shrinking resources. In addition to its own benefits, organic farming is also influencing the conventional production by the introduction of biological pest controls. So next. So this is the last benefit of our organic farming today. It is reduced leaking. The organic approach with as much recirculation of nutrients as possible and the non-use of chemical fertilizers reduces leaking of nutrients, an enormous problem in many countries and a threat to drinking water, lakes, rivers, and the sea. On a theoretical level, an organic farmer could cause a lot of leaking by bad management of green manures and leguminous crops. In the actual case, this is not common since such a farmer will not survive many years, because an organic farmer cannot afford big losses of nitrogen to the air or to nearest river. So, next slide. This is the organic farms in Malaysia. There are 4 examples of organic farms. Number 1 is GK Farm in Selangor. Number 2, Kampung Lonet, Negeri Sembilan. Next is Zenzin Organic Farm in Johor. And the last one is Mita Natural Farm in Kedah. So I am done explaining my part. Right now, I will ask each of you some questions. So be ready, everyone. So question number 1. List 3 food crops produced organically are filled with nutrients. Anyone?
I want to answer this question.
Yes, go on.
My answer is mineral, vitamins, and enzyme.
Okay, so let's check it together. Are your answer correct? So the answer is minerals, vitamins, and enzymes. So your answer is correct, Shaukina. So next, second question. Give one use of pesticides.
I want to answer this question.
Yes, Zaina.
Okay, the answer of this question is 3 or both of plants, insect and higher life.
Are you sure? So let's check it together. The answer is tried both to plants, insects, and higher life. Okay, Aina, your answer is correct. So the last question, question number 3. So, which of the following is not the benefits of organic farming? A, organic is better for children. B, small farmers make higher premiums. C, organic and natural are the same. And D, it is more sustainable. Anyone?
Can I answer this question, Ayumi?
Yes, of course, Uva.
So my choice is C, because the C was not related to this kind of topics. So I think this is C is the right answer.
You are so confident, Puva. So let's check the answer. The answer is C. Yes, organic and natural are the same. Actually, organic and natural are not the same. So the question is over. And our topic for today is also over. Thank you for anyone who listening. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day and goodbye, everyone.